My name is Michael Groover, and I'm an adult hip and knee reconstruction specialist here at Ortho Montana. I chose hip and knee replacement as my specialty because I'm really interested in how we can restore the function of the hip and the knee. They're very important joints. We stand on them. Every step that we take, getting out of chairs, going up and down stairs, all the activities that we perform daily without much thought can become individually very painful for people. So my journey in medicine began at the University of Wyoming, where I was playing football and studying exercise physiology. That propelled me into medical school at the Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine, and then attended residency at Grandview Medical Center in Dayton, Ohio. That's a very traditional, long-standing osteopathic orthopedic surgery program. And then now I've completed my fellowship at the Cleveland Clinic in Cleveland, Ohio. What I really get excited about is someone coming in that has a bad problem that's altered their lifestyle, and I really feel like I can help them. And so my job is, during our first visit, to ask you the important questions that need to be asked, to find out all the details of what your lifestyle is and how your problem has altered that, and then together we can come up with a solution for that. I'm really excited to be joining Ortho Montana and coming to Billings. My wife and my 3 daughters, we really enjoy the outdoors, and we love the city and the surrounding outdoor adventures that await us. And I hope to be able to provide my patients with the same kind of ability to enjoy an active outdoor lifestyle that I enjoy.